It's like a lot of food. मैं हूँ फाल्गुनी,
मैं हूँ सागर।
आप देख रहे हैं फूड कनेक्शंस पावर्ड बाय ट्रिप पर चलो। It is in association with the D.Y. Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. We are here at Sitco Urban Hut, and for the love of good food, we are going to cover this. And Sagar is going to be eating a lot of tasty food.
I'm really looking forward to taste all the stalls over here. I'm really excited about it.
The director of D.Y. Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Management, Mrs. Vandana Vishwa. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's a pleasure for Food Connection to find new places for good food. So, ma'am, we'd like to know more about this initiative that you have done in association with Sitco here.
It's an initiative by the students. It's a part of their curriculum as well, and it gives the students the right kind of a training in case they want to become entrepreneurs tomorrow.
What is the environment since morning? How is it going?
It's very good. We have a lot of guests coming in, and they want to have their lunch here itself.
So this place is basically full of all the energy that's going to remind not just us but you also of your college days. So now we are here at by far what looks like one of the most well-dressed and organized stalls to start with. This is their stall of Oriental and Chinese food. Agar, please.
No, I mean, I'm just waiting to have this.
Curry in red chili sauce.
The base of coconut.
With a base of coconut. That's nice.
100% pure coconut milk.
I think Sagar is gone to Thailand mentally.
Yes, actually, I'm just enjoying. I don't want to talk. I just want to have this. That's it.
The pasta stall and Sagar is going to test this lot of pasta type food. Okay. About pasta and a lot of homemade pasta and a lot of starters and Sagar just yes Sagar, how's the food?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने इससे अच्छी चीज़ अभी तक खाई नहीं है आज के दिन में, बिकॉज इसका जो एक सॉफ्टनेस है वो इतना अच्छा है कि मतलब गले को इट्स लाइक इट्स सूदिंग. आई मीन इट्स या एंड इट इज मेयोनीज सॉस इज सो प्योर. It's actually, making me fall in love with
Very
this.
happy with the first starter. You have made something very special for us. This is some homemade thing which you've done specially for us. Grapes.
And you put some egg also, right?
Yeah, the dough has egg.
The dough has the egg. फाल्गुनी यार, तेरा नसीब खराब है आज, तेरा उपवास है बहुत. इसके अंदर जो एग और जो व्हीट का जो मैशअप है ना वो इतना प्यारा है. मुझे मिल जाए तो ये मैं शाम तक खाऊं.
This is amazing pasta. Add pasta with Chef Priya and all her other chefs. Great job, guys. Great going. Wraps and rolls.
Oh, this basically is a fish wrap. I call it a fishy wrap.
Wrap.
Yes, this is a fishy wrap.
I've never heard of a fish wrap. So this is.
I'm just waiting to have this. Can I?
Yes, you can.
Yeah, why not?
जो फिश रोल है वो यूजुअली होटल्स में आपको खाने नहीं मिलता है. रियली नाइस.
I'd like to thank Team Wraps and Rolls. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We are at Cakes and Bakes and we're with Chef Shilpa and Chef Dipali.
What is this? हम ये किसका बना हुआ है
ये रिफाइंड का बटर और स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रश.
Strawberry crush, refined flour, butter, lot of sugar. It's already the ingredient for something very tasty and sweet. And Sagar, what are these? Only
ऐसा लग रहा है कि घर का बनाया हुआ है. Seriously, it's really good.
lovely cakes there. So now we've come to Maratha Tal.
And our USP is of prawns pickle. बहुत
आपको पसंद आ रहा है एंड दिस इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज वी डोंट ऐड एनी प्रिजर्वेटिव इन इट.
Prawn pickle, that's their USP. So, Sagar will taste a little bit of the prawn pickle. I'm very jealous about all the food that I'm missing once again. So, how's the prawn pickle?
ये अचार से ना मेरे विचार बहुत अच्छे हो रहे हैं, सीरियसली.
That's it from Sana's Kitchen. Thank you so much, guys. Great work. Great going. So we are at Chips and Burgers. Hello, Chef. Please tell us what's very, very special about this.
Okay, first of all, pleasure for you people to having us at our food festival. Okay, and we are serving all homemade burgers over here.
I've heard of corn and spinach sandwiches. I haven't heard of corn and spinach burgers. Really, we're going to try that first.
New innovation what we have carried out.
Very, very innovative.
Taste it and just give a feedback on it.
Definitely. Sagar's almost into his mode of getting into the spinach and corn burger. Corn is my personal favorite. I'm still feeling a little more bad about missing out on all of this. Anyway, good things, bad things happen to good people. I'm a good person. Sagar still lost. So that means it's good food. Every time I hear no voice from Sagar for like 2 minutes, I know the food is great.
This is spinach. It's well cooked. I mean, I think it is one of the few professional burgers I've ever had. It's professionally cooked. See,
Wow, that's some amazing burger.
you guys have cooked it from heart. It is actually.
I दिल से बनाया हुआ टेस्ट है जो बाहर आ रहा है. So we've reached what I call the most defining aspect of a food festival. We are at the street food stall and we are at Mumbai ki chaat. Chaat नहीं खाया street food में तो क्या खाया? All different types of water in one taste of pani puri. Wow, that's interesting. क्या taste है ना? Soul curry water वाला pani puri. So I think soul curry is going to be a very Malvan taste, and bringing this into the taste of Mumbai is a very Malvan Mumbai street food mix, is it?
Yeah.
How's it tasting, Sagar?
Taste is very pure.
It's a very authentic Malvan taste coming into the street food fusion. That's a little fusion. So what's next?
The next will be Jaljeera.
Jaljeera Pani Puri. That's interesting. Alright, there's Jaljeera water going inside this. That seems like a healthy Pani Puri. And a no guilt pani puri. And his eyes tell me he's enjoying a lot of the lovely taste of the
जल्जीरा पानी पूरी. जल्जीरा is good for digestion. And अगर पानी पूरी आपको digestion के लिए help करे तो उससे अच्छी चीज़ क्या है?
So we are here at the Indian fast food stall. We are at Komal's Kitchen and I'm with Chef Komal. I believe no street food festival can be over without tasting the Indian street food. So we are with a very delicious looking keema pav, keema misal, aloo paratha.
तो कहाँ से शुरू करूँ?
So he's gonna start with the keema misal. Okay. First of the kinds that I see, I've heard of Kolhapuri misal, I've heard of Puneri misal, I've heard of a lot of other misal pavs. This is interesting. Keema and misal.
चिकन का मिसल पाव इज़ वेरी यूनिक. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्पाइसीनेस नहीं है, मतलब किसी को भी खाना है वो बहुत इजीली खा सकता है.
Oh, that's the USP because I think misal pav a lot of times becomes very spicy for people. So, and the next is keema dabeli. That's another innovation from Komal's Kitchen. Chicken keema into the streets of Mumbai. So that is chicken plus keema plus dabeli becomes chicken dabeli. No, keema dabeli. Am I right? Yes. So I'm guessing it right. I'll become a little bit of chef by the end of this. You know, little bit from all their secrets. Learn on what they're doing, how they're doing. Sagar, how's the food?
हाँ, मुझे लगता है आपको ना स्टोर स्टार्ट करना चाहिए.
That's a new business idea that Sagar has already stamped to become a great restaurant out there.
Because it has that life. It's food has life.
Wow, that's some great food. So I have arrived at what looks like one of the most important stalls here. I'll call this important because it's too hot and this is serving very tasty mocktails. So I'm with Chef Lester, Rohan and Akhil, very cool bar chefs like they like to call themselves. So very your team here. So tell us, Chef, what's special here?
Okay. What we having special here? We having a lot of Ayurvedic mocktails. This one is called a cool cucumber. Special Ayurvedic ingredient also,
Right.
and it has cucumber and rose syrup, which we call ruafza.
Just talking to their team off camera, and they told me that out of all the drinks that they've sold, about 70-75% of their sales is purely on this cool cucumber. This looks very refreshing, and are you refreshed, Sagar?
Yes, it's one of the coolest drinks I've ever had in last few months.
Brings me to the end of a very exciting episode of Food Connections in association with the DY Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. We have had a wonderful time with the students, being here with them, tasting all sorts of food, and what was most important was it took us back to our college days. And if you had a great time with us, do like, share and subscribe on Food Connections powered by Trip for Chalo. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.